Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop a hit every 4 times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this UK garage drum kit. Crazy sounds, man. As I always say it, bro, we always got you as far as quality and amazing sounds is concerned. So before we actually go further, man, you know what to do, bro. You know what time it is, my friend. You know what time it is, mate. Just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. Alright, and also if you like what I'm serving you on that play, just go ahead and hit the like button as well. So without no further ado, let's get started. Before we actually move further, I would like to mention that this drum kit was inspired by artists like maybe H, possibly Tracy. There's a lot more on that list, artists from the UK, they inspired me and they actually got me, man. So without no further ado, let's get started. So there's this bass in here, there's claps, there's FX, there's hi-hats, there's kicks, and there's snares. So there's no midis in here, but I promise you guys in the next one there's definitely gonna be midis in there. So let's get started with this. Claps. FX. Kind of weird, isn't it? Alright, hi-hats. Kicks. Snares. That's it, man. That's it for the sauce, bro. That's it for the sauce, my friend. So I feel like you got everything that you need in here to make a crazy UK garage drum kit. Stand to be corrected. So yeah, that's it. So I don't want to waste your time further. I'm gonna let you go ahead and enjoy this and make crazy UK garage beats. And guys, I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you need any of that, just hit me up on my number and we can talk business. And one more thing, if you're having problems downloading this, just send me your email. You can leave it in the comments down below, but don't just leave your email there. Make sure that you actually write something, just besides your email, so that YouTube might not, dismiss it as a spam. And that way I can get your email and send you this amazing stuff directly. So yeah, that's it, man. Enjoy the drum kit, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Namaste, stay safe. Goodbye.